Hey guys, this is Eric on Koiti Suits. Today, if you want to get a puppet, please like the video and subscribe, and turn on notifications on. Put a comment that you like the video, and put a comment, and then I will make you a puppet. Like I made Donald. See, I made Donald. I made Donald right here, but his hand break. See, his hand break. Donald's hand break. My God, Donald's hand. I'm gonna tip it up. Hey guys, I'm Donald. Oh my God, his hand braked. See how it braked right here? Right here. It braked. And then I made another puppet. And this is Junior. This is Junior. Look it on the bottom, and it says, do you see this green? It says Adrian AKA. That's what it says. So if you want a puppet, please like the video, and then I'll make you a puppet. Peace out, guys. Peace out, guys. Peace out, guys. Peace out. Subscribe.